Stuart Mechanical is a full-service HVAC mechanical contractor.
I'm the engineering superintendent at the Siren Hotel. So everyone that comes in the door, their lives and safety are in our hands. We lost 6 floors of the hotel that didn't have any heat.
And we actually had to check all of the piping from the top on the roof and work our way all the way down through the building.
There was a leak, and we lost all of the Freon through this leak in our walls from a double unit up on the roof that serviced 20 hotel rooms.
The experience of being at the Siren and doing that work downtown and being up on top of the roof, I will never forget that feeling.
The building was originally built for Civil War veterans. The original construction was 1899. When Stuart came in and we had that initial conversation, there's going to be some challenges in bringing it up to not only modern code, but modern efficiencies and modern workabilities.
We developed a relationship helping him understand how the building operated.
We may be in the attic and look at a meter and a gauge and say, that doesn't look right, that doesn't sound right.
I guess you have some security knowing that you have somebody that you can call and they're going to show up and handle the problem.
The restaurants have to be open, have to be the right temperature, whether it's heating or cooling, or people won't stay.
There's times that we ran out and fixed stuff for Tom that night and made sure that he was up and running and keep people there and happy.
They have really been instrumental in our success in making the original business plan work.
The Jewish Community Center in West Bloomfield is 389,000 square feet. Every square foot of it is my responsibility. All the infrastructure, plumbing, electrical, HVAC.
JCC air handler it came in as a service call from Dan. The machine was actually shaking and vibrating.
This air handler provided the air conditioning for an area called Handelman Hall, and that was the cafeteria for the kids. 600 kids in there with no air conditioning wouldn't have went well. So there was no backup plan. That air handler needed to be fixed.
And it's 24/7. It's on a Sunday, it's on a Saturday.
Within 24 hours, they came in and they replaced the bearings on a 2-inch shaft for a 100-ton supply fan.
At the end of the day, the client was happy, Dan was happy, the kids were happy, and that's what it's all about.
The members don't know that Stuart's up there on the roof, you know. They just know that Dan Sutton is in charge of maintenance, and it's my responsibility to make sure the building's running properly.
And it is truly a partnership, and that makes us who we are.